Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is so exciting because it is the last packing video and cleaning / getting ready to move video before the actual move. So you're gonna see a lot of packing in this video, some cleaning up, just getting the house ready for new people to move in and all that good stuff. So I hope you enjoy all of it. And if you do, make sure you give it a like and also hit subscribe if you love moving, unpacking, organizing, and decorating content, because I've got an absolute ton of that coming your way in our new house, which there is a house tour, an empty house tour of on the channel. So I'll link that in the description below if you're interested in checking out the new place that we're moving into. And just so you guys know, there's plenty of Halloween coming starting in just a few days, August 31st, every single day of Halloween until Halloween day. So if you like Halloween content, make sure you hit subscribe to stick around with me all of spooky season. And I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
think it was actually really like soothing to kind of pack up our stuff, because it was like a really good opportunity to kind of take a mental inventory of everything that we owned. And I will say one thing that was just a stark realization is how much crap we have, because moving it all was just insane. I mean, the fact that I have like over 100 boxes of stuff, and not including, you know, which I didn't actually count the boxes, so I don't know for sure, but it felt like 100 boxes of stuff on top of furniture and, you know, decor and mirrors and paintings and stuff like that that didn't go into boxes. It was seriously just insane. And so I definitely want to be a little bit more mindful when I'm purchasing from now on, because I just see dollar signs everywhere and I wonder, do I really need this 8th mixing bowl? Probably not, when I only bake a few times a year. You know what I mean? So I definitely think that one like really nice thing about moving is that, like I said, it gives you an opportunity to go through literally every single thing you own and decide whether or not you need it. One thing I'm really happy that we did when we moved is we sold off a lot of our furniture. And while it is kind of sad a little bit to have like an empty-ish house when you first move in and kind of lose a lot of your storage, like we don't have a dresser obviously right now, I will say starting completely fresh and having all new like stuff to buy was really, really nice. And I really loved that we didn't have to move all of this super heavy furniture. Hey guys, so we're making really good progress. My whole dresser is gone and it's feeling so like roomy in here, which is crazy. Something about having no furniture is like oddly appealing to me sometimes. I don't know, it's just like so empty and like feels so clean. But that means that other areas of my life are not clean, because now I'm having to stack everything that was in the dresser like in random areas where I can find room. So Zoe is also doing some crazy packing today. Hey queen.
Welcome.
Guys, look at all this stuff. Her freaking...
Can you believe all this stuff fit in one room?
In one room!
That's the craziness.
But like her closet is literally like almost empty. Like she
is
really did that.
Unmatched.
She really did that.
I can fit in a room.
Yeah. Anyways, so Brennan's gonna be home in a few and then I'm gonna set him on his chores for the day, because I got some chores for this man's. But yeah, I'm feeling really good about the progress and I'm really happy because I'm eager to move into our house and I don't want to have to wait a couple weeks. So we're probably gonna take a few loads of boxes over like before we do like the big moving day. And then the big moving day, obviously we'll get everything else. So yeah, I'm gonna keep cleaning this up. The biggest thing is that I need to get this place looking pretty clean. Like obviously behind where the dresser was is like kind of nasty and dirty just because like it's been covered up and I haven't been able to get there to clean it for a while. So just stuff like that I need to get cleaned up because the buyers have a walkthrough tomorrow at 6 p.m. and we're doing our walkthrough tomorrow at 6 p.m. as well. So exciting stuff, but a lot to do. I also really need to pull all the weeds that are in the garden right now. And like I was planning on doing that tonight, but we're gonna go see a movie kind of late tonight. So I think I might get up tomorrow and do that in the morning before it gets too hot. Because then I can like shower and get ready for the day and whatever. But anyways, I'm rambling. So I'm gonna keep working on this stuff. Hope you're enjoying the moving footage. Hey guys, it's freaking 7 a.m. literally 6:59 on the Monday that my buyers are doing their walkthrough. And the main reason that I got up super early was because I need to weed this garden. So before the heat of the day, I'm gonna go outside and weed this garden because I was meant to do it last night or like just yesterday in general, and I didn't. So I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna try and finish cleaning this house. But I also have a full work day to do, like for my regular job. So like I need to like get that interspersed, and then I still need to paint the HVAC closet too. So I have some to get done today. So I'm gonna make a quick coffee just so I have something in my system because I am exhausted, like mentally and physically right now, and emotionally, like geez. But we literally close on our house tomorrow, so like everything needs to go smoothly from here. And if weeding the garden will help that even just a little bit, I'm willing to do it. So I'm gonna put on some tennis shoes and make some coffee, and then we're gonna go weed this garden. Y'all, I am so glad I woke up early to do this, because if I was doing this during like the heat of the day, I would literally think I would die. Like I am so sweaty, I'm so mother freaking hot, like, but I'm almost done. This one is completely finished. I just need to like obviously sweep around it, and this one is like 75% done. And a lot of it's pulled up. I just need to bag it up. So we're doing good, guys. I just like, crap, this is so exhausting and it's hurting my back. So yeah, gonna do this, even out the dirt, sweep up a little bit, and then we'll be done. I also need to pour some ant spray and stuff because like, ooh, there's like literally a frick ton of ants right here and shit. So I definitely need to put down some bug spray for sure. Yay! All right, you guys, I am all showered and I feel so much better now. I felt so gross. But basically, I am just gonna go top to bottom in the house and get to cleaning. So I'm basically gonna start up here in the master bath and then slowly make my way down the entire house. Just getting all this stuff cleaned up and ready for the buyers to come take their last look today. So let's do it.
More than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this last clean and pack with me before the big move into the new house. If you enjoyed the video, definitely make sure you give it a like, hit that subscribe button down below so we can hang out all the time. And definitely if you like Halloween content, because I've got loads of that coming your way. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.